welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this super pretty poof that I have been doing every single time I do my natural hair. Okay, I'm going to be using the anti-breakage strengthening milk from Shea Moisture. It's one of my favorites, and especially with my hair always breaking and having split ends, it definitely works with kind of just making my hair feel better. I like to spread that all throughout the hair, root to tip. I'm then going to use the As I Am Double Butter Cream, which is my holy grail because my hair is hella dry. So using this makes my hair feel really moisturized, and I don't ever have to worry about my hair feeling dry. At this point, I'm going to section off my hair into medium-sized sections. Making sure to put some Jamaican black castor oil on there because it's super thick. It works really well with my hair, and I like it. So I use that last, making sure to go from root to tip, as you can see. And then I just do some twists. Now, the twists are not like anything special. I just kind of make sure that they're not unraveling. So as long as the twists aren't unraveling and they look good, that's all really that matters to me. Here I'm just sectioning off another piece of hair. I've already got it moisturized. I've already added my oil and everything. I'm just showing y'all just how, how the comb goes through, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm twisting that one as well, just making sure that it's nice and tight, not really tight, but making sure that it doesn't unravel or anything. And there we go. Have a nice juicy twist. This is my head all over after I finish twisting everything. So they're not really like uniform or anything, but it doesn't matter because it's going to be in a poof anyways. But yeah, that's just all the parts and everything, just making sure that they're medium and that they're not unraveling, which is mostly important. Then I put some wild growth hair oil in my scalp. Sorry. I like to make sure I put some hair oil because my scalp is dry as well, and I like to make sure that, hey, I'm receiving the best of the best, baby. Okay, keep up. But yeah, I do this all over my scalp, making sure to rub it in so that it's not dripping because I hate that dripping oil feeling. And yes, that is a toothbrush, just to really get in them edges really, really good, Then I'm going to use my silk scarf to lay all that down. My hair is also going to be covered with a bonnet that I'll show you in a sec. I like the bonnet because I just feel like it's extra coverage, Here I am the next morning. I am tired as hell, but my hair is basically dry. There's really no wet pieces at all. It just looks really juicy, which is kind of what I'm going for, really, because my hair is so dry. By the end of the day, my hair doesn't really look as juicy as it does at the moment, but whatever. So I make sure to unravel my hair all the way. Here I am just making sure to go in and separating each piece so that it's kind of just all like open, I guess. And then I'm going to take my pick to lift my roots. You can find a pick at any beauty supply or hair store. I'm taking some gel. This is the green Eco Styler gel. It's my favorite because it holds really well. I put that all over the perimeters of my hair, making sure to slick that down with a brush, and then taking my hair tie, which is not a real hair tie, it's bigger than a hair tie, and I use that. It doesn't pull on my hair or anything, so it's my go-to. It's my favorite, and it keeps my hair, like my poof, tight. Not tight, but tight. I take some water, spray it all over my hair, and then I do my edges, because you got to lay the edges, honey. Yes, look at them swoops. Period. Okay. Then I lay that down with a silk scarf, call it a day. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope you did like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below on how you like the video and what your favorite natural hairstyle is.